Actually, hindi naman inspired per se kasi sobrang out of the blue lang yung trophy wife. Pero sakto, lock in taping. Tapos quarantine ko nabuo yung concept ng new TikTok character. The show and kind of relating it with my character, ano talaga friendship. Kasi I realized through working with Rian, since almost all my scenes are with her, parang you get to grow that relationship And it's the first time I met her. And actually, sabi ko nga sa kanya, oh my gosh, I watched you sa Captain Barbell when I was younger. So yun, parang I realized na friends, even though I've heard this quote a couple times, friends are the family you choose. And with the scenes I've had with her, I really have had to care for her genuinely and see her as a friend and of course gain her as a friend. So ayun, I hope that they learn the value of friendship and just being and just being very present to the people that you like, for the present that you be very present for the people that you love. Yun. Kay Claire ng Modern Family.
Hindi. Kay Claire Almazan as trophy wife.
Family. Actually, hindi naman inspired per se kasi sobrang out of the blue lang yung trophy wife. Pero sakto, lock in taping. Tapos quarantine ko nabuo yung concept ng new TikTok character. Pagpasok ko ng taping, pinaghihiram ko yung mga kwintas na ginamit ni Chris. Ganon. So yun. Like perfect. Everything lined up.